Hey, did you know that the biggest volcano on our entire planet isn't what you might see on a postcard from Hawaii or Iceland? Nope, not even close. The true giant is hidden deep beneath the waves of the Pacific Ocean. It's called Tamu Massif, and this thing is absolutely colossal. Forget everything you thought you knew about volcanoes. To give you some perspective, Tamu Massif is a single massive shield volcano that covers an area larger than the entire state of New Mexico. Imagine a mountain so vast it would dwarf most countries. For a long time, scientists thought it was a cluster of several volcanoes, but they later discovered it's one single, gigantic structure. It's a reminder of how many incredible secrets our planet still holds, hidden away in the dark, mysterious depths of the ocean.